Looking to save on LinkedIn Learning courses in 2025? Here's how to find and apply promo codes easily. Step 1. Search online for LinkedIn Learning promo codes to discover current discounts. Look for offers like 10% to 50% off, or even a free 1-month trial for new users. Step 2. Consider subscribing to LinkedIn Learning's email newsletter. Subscribers often receive exclusive discount codes and early access to sales. Step 3. During checkout on LinkedIn Learning's website, enter the promo code in the designated field. Ensure the code is valid and not expired to apply the discount successfully. Bonus tip: some professional organizations and educational institutions offer special discounts for their members or students. Check if you're eligible for additional savings. With these steps, you can access LinkedIn Learning's top-notch courses at a discounted price.